Welcome. This is Melinda Barlow CZT, and today we are going to learn to draw the tangle pattern Abundies by Hanny Waldburger. She's a CZT, and she just comes up with some fabulous tangles that I love. And we're going to do a little coloring at the end, so stay tuned to the end to see how we color Abundies. Okay, let's just start drawing. Start out with this little shape, kind of like an aspen leaf. This is pointed. You know, it's got a little point on both ends. And then I come back up here, and I'm going to come out, echo out, and then come back in and touch. And back up to the top, echo out, and come back in and touch. And I'm going to work my way up. Come down, in and touch. Probably do one more right there. And there's Abundies. Now let's put a few little, just going to put some little circles on the inside. And I like to do a little stippling. And usually I would come right back and we would start to shade, but we're going to draw a couple of more of these just so you can see what I do. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to use a color pencil to color them in. There we have 3 little Abundies, and I'm going to put some circles and a little stipple. And now I'm going to pick up some colored pencils, and we're just going to color in. I find this really easy to add color to my Zentangles. So I'm just going to outline with my color pencil on the outside of that Abundie. Now I am going to take a shading stump of just a regular paper blending stump, and I am going to dip it in odorless paint thinner. So you can see that I've got my odorless paint thinner by Speedball. And I'm just going to get the tip of it wet in my paint thinner. Now you can kind of see that it's wet there. And then I'm just going to use that to blend and you're going to get light and dark, and it just blends it in. I just find it easy, an easy way to blend my colored pencils. And so that's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to go ahead and color a few more. You can watch, and then we'll see what our end product is going to be. I'm going to clean my blending stump so I don't mix my colors with my emery board. Dip it again, and I'm going to blend this one. there we have some shading. You can always go back in and add a little bit more color with your color pencil if you want. If you need to darken it up, if it hasn't blended right. I let it just dry a little tiny bit before I come back with my pen. I just noticed I hadn't filled in very good with that. And then we can just do some embellishment in the background. Give it a little fescue. You can come back in here and do a little bit more stipple. You can always, and you can also come back and add a little graphite in there to give it just a little darker color if you want, and you can blend that. And just to kind of mute that bright color pencil. So, there we go. Abundies by Hanny Waldburger CZT. And thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And please leave a comment below.